AS level maths, so year one pure maths, okay, for Edexcel, OCR, and AQA, looking at dy by dx, so the first derivative, so differentiation, and also integration or indefinite integral in this video lesson. So, given that y is equal to 4x cubed minus 5 over x squared, where x does not equal 0, okay, so it does not belong to 0, because we can't divide by 0, find in the simplest form dy by dx. So first step is to rewrite this part in index form. So we're going to have y is equal to 4x cubed, guys, and then minus 5 over x squared can be written as minus 5x to the minus 2. Because that negative power makes it 1 over, which in case of a fraction, it flips it. Okay, so x to the minus 2 is 1 over x squared, times it by minus 5, and I get minus 5x squared. Okay, next step, guys, dy by dx, the power comes down as a multiplier. Okay, so we do 3 times 4, or 4 times 3 makes 12. We attach the x, and then we reduce the power by 1, so it becomes 2. Next up, minus 5x to minus 2. We do minus 5 times minus 2 makes positive or plus 10. We attach the x, and then we reduce the power by 1. Okay, it goes to minus 3 and not minus 1. You be careful, okay? So the power comes down as a multiplier, and then we reduce the power by 1 or knock 1 off the power from the power. Next up, find the indefinite integral of y with respect to x. So dx, we have the integral of 4x cubed minus 5x to the minus 2, okay, in brackets with respect to x, so dx, okay. So here we're going to add 1 to our power and then divide by our new power. So we're adding 1 to our power and then dividing by that new power. Okay, so 4x to 4 over 4, or 4 quarters x to 4, minus 5x to the minus 1, all over minus 1. And then whenever we're integrating, guys, here, don't forget your for indefinite integrals, don't forget your plus c, your constant integration, that plus column, okay? So column the caterpillar, okay, or column the cake, you could say. Okay, I'm now going to tally this up. So 4 over 4 makes 1, so it's just x to 4, or 1x to 4. Minus 5 over minus 1 makes plus 5, x to the minus 1. We have the plus c. You can also, if you really want here, write it in a similar form. So write it in the form of x to the 4 plus 5 over x plus c. That is also allowed. Okay, but I suspect here for most students here that are watching the video, they'll probably leave it in this format. Okay, and then similarly here, I can also write that here in a similar form, equivalent form, as 12x squared plus 10 over x cubed. Okay, if I really want to, okay, write it a bit more simpler. Okay, hopefully it makes sense, but that is integrating and differentiating, okay, in functions ax to the n or x to the n, okay, in this video lesson. Thank you very much.